Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, i-unbox lang natin ng mabilisan itong toothpaste na nabili ko sa Watsons through Shopee. Kasi naghahanap talaga ako ng makakapag-whiten ng aking teeth. Kahit hindi naman ganun kaputing-puti. Pero kasi mahilig kasi ako mag-coffee, so kaya alam mo yun, nag-stain talaga siya sa ngipin. And nagiging-yellowy siya. So, naganap ako sa Shopee. So, eto daw yung cheaper version. Partida, cheaper version pa tong Oral-B na nakapag talagang whiten ng teeth. And ang nagsabi nun ay mismo yung mga dentist mismo. Sa TikTok ko siya nabasa. Napanood. So, ito ay Oral-B 3D White Locks Perfection with advanced whitening technology, removes stain for whiter teeth in 3 days. So sabi dito in 3 days. Tapos ang nabili ko ay itong peppermint flavor. So maglalagay na lang ako, magko-comment na lang ako once na ma-upload to. Then 3 days kung talagang effective talaga itong toothpaste na to. And then, sabi dito na it whitens by unlocking crop surface stains, protects against new stains, and leaves your smile clean and fresh. And then, ano pa dito? Dissolving polishing complex. Ito. And then, ano pa meron dito? Ito. Ang sabi dito ay tube has been sealed for your protection. Do not use if seal on tube is broken or missing. So, very normal thing for hygienic purposes. And enamel safe toothpaste. Okay, so hindi siya makapagpa-sensitive na ating teeth. Tignan lang natin yung loob. What does it look like? So, lit lang pala niya. 95 gram. So, yun guys. So, ingredients niya. Okay, is there anything? Okay naman. So, same naman. Apply the product onto a soft, bristled toothbrush. Brush teeth thoroughly at least twice a day, morning and evening, or as recommended by a dentist. So, yan guys. So, magka-comment na lang ako. Mag-leave na lang ako ng comment guys. Okay? Kung effective talaga siya. Or gagawa ako ng panibagong review. So, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye!